Ay!
No pictures, you want me, go figure. I got guns in my head and they won't go. To the doors out the Jeep, okay. I see a brother holding your seat, no beef, but I'm trying to get this.
Loose!
What's on my face? Oh my...
What you do say, girl, I know.
On TikTok and I'm going to get a fat bum. What's wrong?
La cultura.